In 2018, many were recognized for making big difference with changes in the organization. As a result, we saw improvements. However, this is still not enough. We still have incidents whereby compliance remains a huge challenge, be it on personal safety or workplace safety. Personally, for me, being safe is extremely important in whatever work we do. This year, I want all of you to just remember one thing: comply. When you comply by using PPE, you protect yourself from the risk of injury or harm. When you comply to work instructions, you put yourself to work within a safe environment. When you comply, you and your colleagues will work safe together. Especially if you are a supervisor, you are responsible to ensure all your team members comply with the work requirements.
No work is so urgent that we need to compromise on safety. The act of complying is fundamental to ensuring you and your colleagues are working in a safe environment. In UEM Edgenta, we believe by complying to all HSSE requirements, we can prevent any unwanted incidents.
Have conversations during your toolbox. Remind everyone to ensure ongoing compliance on site. I'm expecting my leaders to take charge, making sure everyone complies to the company's requirements. On a positive note, I realize Edgenta stars can deliver impressive results when strong determination fills the room. Be it business or HSSE performance, I encourage you to continue the passion and drive compliance.
Safety is not just a process or a procedure, it is a mindset and behavior. We must all understand that the responsibility for safety does not lie with our HSSE teams, but it is up to all of us to take a step back and think about what we are doing. If it is not safe, then simply don't do it.
At the end of the day, I wish to have all of you to go back to your families safely every day. Remember, HSSE is everyone's responsibility, and it starts with you.